New England harbors and fishing villages were being emptied of boats, and some were becoming ghost towns as commercial fishermen and recreational boaters scrambled Friday to make final preparations for the arrival of Hurricane Lee, a storm threatening to bring tropical storm force winds across a swath of land and sea hundreds of miles wide. Hundreds of out-of-state utility workers poured into Maine amid fears of widespread power outages because of a combination of heavy winds and rain-saturated soil in the nation's most heavily wooded state. Lee remained a hurricane with 80 mph winds at 2 p.m. EDT Friday as it headed to New England and eastern Canada with 20-foot ocean swells, strong winds and rain. Forecasters said there would be winds topping 40 mph across an area spanning more than 400 miles ahead of landfall Saturday afternoon. On Friday, there was little else to be done but wait and worry and make final preparations as Lee, by mid-afternoon, was spinning about 395 miles southeast of Nantucket, Massachusetts, and moving away from Bermuda.